Hello, in this video I'd like to show you how to upgrade this 14.1 inch display from CCFL to our UB54 series LED kits. This is NG screen. The kits including 2 LED strips, 1 LED driver and 1 wire adapter, which is this is the inverters. Then this end connect to here and the other end accepting this end. Just like that. See? Disconnect this one, connect to here. Alright, so let's set that aside for a second, take a look at the screen. And this, well, this is already crap already, but I just want to make a video for this one. And this is made by NEC, NL128102AC20-07. To upgrade from CCFL, original have 4 lamps, 2 on top, 2 on bottom. Upgrade to our LED 54 series is quite easy. This is a screw on each end. Okay, but usually you can only remove 1 screw on each side. You should be able to pull this reflector out. If kind of tight, you might want to loosen up this end and just a little bit. We go around. Yeah, got it. Out. So basically, you just stick it in. There is strip. See that? We are not going to use this reflector anymore. Just stick in. And see, if you have some sort of the stuff that make stay like this. See, I have aluminum. Usually we put it in. That would be make it stay really nice. See, if you don't use any, anything that you can make sure that the LC screen, the LED strips all the way up against the light guiding glass, that would be perfect. So, and then we're going to secure this wire. Right? You're going to repeat this end too. Same procedure. There's a screw here, but we're going to remove this inverter. And here's our LED drivers. So we can use 1 screw hole and this one. So let me take this one out. Just make sure. Then we can just mount like this. Right, connect the lamp here. Disconnect the wires. Oops. Again, repeat the other one, this end. That's it. It's quite simple. Thank you for watching.